Hey YouTube, welcome back to the replacement. I'm going to put holes for the Hamilton in the broadhead knife. Here's the broadhead, as seen in the previous video. This is an automatic center punch. So I'm going to punch a hole, at least 3, and then I'm going to drill a hole. For the hole in the center punch right here. So I have the knife clamped in place on the drill press, and the drill bit lines up right there on the hole. Now I'm going to drill. And there you have it. That's 1 out of 3 holes that needs to be drilled for my handle pin holes. Here's the end result. 3 holes for handle pins. They've all been countersunk and everything else. Next step is to heat, treat, quench the whole 9 yards.